Hello guys. Today we are just going to talk about oral hypoglycemic agents. Oral hypoglycemic agents are the drugs which are used in the treatment of diabetes mellitus. And these are eight drugs. Just because the organs involved in the pathophysiology of diabetes are eight organs, so there is an ominous octet which is generally involved in the pathophysiology and cause of diabetes. So these are eight drugs, and their target areas are different. They work on different target areas, targeted organs. So we are just going to discuss about these drugs. And the first drug in such category is metformin. Metformin is a drug which generally belongs to biguanide. Its class is biguanide, and from this class, metformin is the only drug which is approved by FDA for the treatment of diabetes. And according to American Diabetes Association (ADA), metformin is the only approved agent of biguanide which is used in the treatment of diabetes. And metformin is the first line treatment. Metformin is the first line therapy in the treatment of diabetes. First of all, every doctor prescribes metformin to a diabetic patient. The target area of metformin is liver. Metformin works on liver. And is it effective? So, according to the effectiveness, metformin is given 2 stars, means it is very effective. And the mode of taking, so generally it is an oral drug. It is taken orally. And another question is, does it cause hypoglycemia? So I just want to tell you that metformin does not cause any type of hypoglycemia. And people are very conscious about their weight. So there is a question that does it cause any effect on weight? So no, it is neutral for our weight, but sometimes a mild weight loss is generally seen with metformin. Mild weight loss. Effect on kidneys. So there is another question, that the effect of metformin on kidneys. So I just want to tell you that it is safe for kidneys, it is safe for renal patients. And effect on heart. What is the effect of metformin on heart? So it is totally safe for heart patients. And what is the monthly cost of this therapy? So it's very cheap. Approximately 50 rupees per month is the cost of this therapy. And what are the side effects? What are the possible side effects? So in some people there is a GI disturbance, that is gastrointestinal disturbance with metformin. And in some people it can cause acidity, flatulence, constipation, or diarrhea. So generally these side effects just go away on its own. But if there is metformin intolerance in some patients, then the doctor can go for some other alternatives. The other class of oral hypoglycemic agent is gliptins or DPP4 inhibitors, dipeptidyl peptidase 4 inhibitors, or we call gliptins. So in this class there are some medicines like sitagliptin, vildagliptin, saxagliptin, and linagliptin. So these are the drugs in this category. And according to the medical guidelines, it is the second line treatment for diabetic patients. And the target organ is GI tract or gut. So these drugs work on gastrointestinal tract. And according to the efficiency and effectiveness it's given